let's quickly open this up. Shazia Ilmi, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Harshvardhan Tripathi ji, senior journalist. Ratan Sharda needs no introduction. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, political analyst. Muhammad Tariq Khan, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And our very own Vivek Srivastav completes this panel. Now, before we start, I just want to tell you some of the contentious issues which were deliberated in the JPC. Watch the screen, viewers. Contention 1 is the Waqf by user clause. What does it mean? Anyone can donate to the Waqf. What the government wants, only practicing Muslims can donate. What opposition wants, do not change the current provision. Why? No explanation. Let's move on. Contention number 2. Non-Muslims on board. The government says 2 non-Muslim members should be there in the Waqf board. The opposition says only Muslim members should be there on the panel. Let's move on. Contention number 3. The government says claim to government property should be subject to adjudication by the state level officer. The opposition wants that claims to be addressed only by the Waqf tribunal. Why? If they have nothing to hide, if there's nothing wrong, why oppose this move? Then you have the inclusion of Bohras, Aga Khanis. The government says separate boards, decision left to states. The opposition says no separate boards, include under Shias. These are broadly some of the main points on which there was deliberation, and now the opposition says, look, nothing doing, we will protest. Vivek Srivastav, first things first, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board in a letter has said that the government should not test the patience of Muslims and should refrain from leading the country towards autocracy. Quote unquote.
Yes.
Don't test our patience. Don't test patience of Muslims. What does this mean?
No, this means that yes, if you start being autocratic and you try to bulldoze and you get wrong kind of bills, you had the wrong farmers bill, there were the black laws, people protested. The Honorable Prime Minister had to come and apologize, which was a very good gesture on his part. It was very late, but we appreciated it. तो बिल आप बुलडोज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर वो लोगों के फेवर में नहीं हो, democracy gives us the right to protest. It gives us the right to change the bill.
Mr. Srivastav, protest by all means. आप जंतर मंतर पे जाके लेट जाइए. And don't get up. इसका क्या मतलब है? The government should not test the patience of Muslims. इसका मतलब बताइए. I haven't understood.
नहीं, आप don't try to put words into the mouth of the.
लिखा हुआ है सर. I am not trying to put any words. आप देख लीजिए. All India Personal. ये देखिए All India Muslim Personal Law Board dated the 28th of Vivek Srivastav. Calm down first of all. Listen to the question. I am not in the business of putting words in anyone's mouth. I only try and inject logic. आपके तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I am reading from the letter. कोई भी एक वर्ड एक्स्ट्रा नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं. इसमें लिखा हुआ है फर्स्ट पेज पे लिखा हुआ है लास्ट सेंटेंस, द गवर्नमेंट शुड नॉट टेस्ट द पेशेंस ऑफ मुस्लिम्स. इसका क्या मतलब है?
इसका मतलब प्रोटेस्ट होगा. अगर आप बुलडोज करके गलत तरह का बिल लाएंगे, प्रोटेस्ट होगा.
कमरुजमान जी
होना चाहिए, डेमोक्रेटिक है.
कमरुजमान जी, आप लोग जय संविधान बोलते हैं, जय संविधान. ये जय संविधान स्पिरिट है. व्हेन यू थ्रेटन बाय सेइंग डू टेस्ट द पेशेंस ऑफ मुस्लिम्स.
No, Pranesh, I hope you give me 1 minute of your time to complete my statement out here. In the first, the entire JPC is a farce on the issue of the Waqf Amendment Bill. When you introduced the bill in the parliament, you had the majority, you could have passed it like you passed the Triple Talaq bill. You could have done it. You organized a JPC to show that we are going into a public consultation process. Despite physical objections coming in, forget about the email objections. Around 5 crore physical objections have been submitted to Jagmeet Pal and his associates of the JPC. None of the amendments had been accepted. Now come to the basic truth. Let me tell before the nation, the Act has a provision wherein the present act has a provision wherein once a waqf, always a waqf will be no longer there in the new amendment. Very fine. Now the act says that all the properties of the waqf have to be compulsorily registered under the waqf new act. So now what the community decides now? We are not going to register even a single of our waqf property with the new waqf boards. That is our prerogative, because we have got the property lineage from our ancestors. We'll prove the title, we'll keep the property
Yeah,
for
so
ourselves.
if you have the
We'll
documents,
build our
if you
own
know,
private
one minute.
trust for the common
You know,
good of
it's
the
a mindset
community.
problem, Kamru Zamanji. First of all, you've sidestepped my question. You did not answer what does this mean. The government should not test the patience of Muslims. इसका क्या मतलब है आपने नहीं बताया. But people who are watching a broadcast know what does this mean. This is undemocratic. This is not the language of protest. This is not right. And anyone,
Forget the democratic means.
Vivek
What
Srivastava,
democracy
Vivek
is?
Srivastava, calm down. I'll come to you. Calm down. Calm down. Don't waste your energy. आप म्यूट पे हैं. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, रुक जाइए. अभी मैं आ रहा हूं आपके पास. अभी आ रहा हूं मैं. अभी आ रहा हूं. सर कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है बिकॉज यू आर ऑन म्यूट. विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप मेरा म्यूट हटाइए. आपने म्यूट कर रखा है, मैंने म्यूट नहीं किया.
अरे
आप म्यूट हटवाइए पहले अपने पीसीआर को बोल के.
मैंने कहा कि आपने म्यूट कर रखा है सर. मैंने म्यूट कर रखा है क्योंकि अभी कमरू जमान जी बोल रहे हैं. सब एक साथ बोलेंगे तो कैसे होगा?
नहीं सर,
कमरू जमान जी,
हटाइए उसको जरा.
अगर आपके पास कागज है तो दिखाने में क्या दिक्कत है? ये कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे कब तक चलेगा?
Pranesh, one thing you tell me, some idiot with the name of All India Muslim Jamaat,
One minute, sir, one minute,
XYZ,
sir, 1 minute. क्या बोल रहे हैं sir? There will be protest against you. Please, first of all, let's be civilized. अब ये, sir, don't use this kind of language, Kamru Zaman ji. I'm telling you, you are inviting trouble. Don't do this, sir. You're on national television. Please, exercise some amount of restraint, please.
as the Waqf property, and you cite those examples to justify the draconian Waqf. You cite those examples to justify somebody has got a property dispute in South India. You bring out the dispute to justify your majoritarian law. You are bulldozing this in the country. You go to the Muslim areas and you see the recent.
How is this a majoritarian law?
Another CA
No. How is this a majoritarian law? 1 minute, sir. Stop. First of all, stop shifting the goalpost. पहले आप लोगों ने बोला, you know, this should be sent to the JPC. The JPC happened. No, 1 minute. Now you've said that the consultative process was a farce. Now, 1 minute. Kamru Zamanji, 1 minute. According to leaders of opposition, everything in this country is a farce. Everything.